Creating videos with Adobe Premiere Pro is a very useful skill. A lot of people, like YouTubers, use Premiere to do all of their video editing. This video will just cover some of the basic things you need to know to get started. When you launch the software, this is the first screen that will come up. Your previous projects will be shown here in the center. You can either open a project or start a new one. Next, you'll want to give your project a name. The location bar under the title will tell you where your project is going to be saved on your computer. Your project will be blank at first. To bring in videos and audio for your project, find the files on your computer and drag them into the box in the lower left corner where it says Import Media to Start. Then, drag in the first piece of media you want in your project to the large rectangle to the right. Here you will see you have 3 spaces for videos and 3 spaces for audio. This video will teach you everything you need to know about how to upload a video to YouTube. You can layer both audio and video. If you wanted to add background music in a tutorial video, you would have the speaking part of the audio in one track and the background music in a second track. This video will teach you everything you need to know. Then, click on the background music track and adjust the volume in the effects controls in the upper right corner. How to upload a video to YouTube. First, click on the Create button in the upper right corner that looks like the camera with a plus on it. Then, upload the video. You can also make the music fade out at the end. Make sure you've clicked on the background music track. First, go to the very end of the audio, set the volume to -281.1 decibels so it's the lowest volume, and create a keyframe by clicking on the circle in the volume tab. Then, move the scrubber to where you want the fade out to happen and create another keyframe. This time, make the volume whatever level you want it to be at for the rest of the video. This is what it should sound like. Card you want to show up. Change the time you want the card to show up. Here you can see me playing around with the timing of it. Now we are going to cut up clips. Sometimes you don't want the beginning of a video or the end or a bunch of stuff in between. You can cut video clips very easily. You can use the hotkey C or click on the razor tool to the left of the clips panel. Click wherever you want the clip to be split and then click the hotkey V or the mouse pointer tool and click the clip you want to cut and hit delete. You can also use the mouse pointer tool to drag video clips together for seamless transitions. You can also apply this to the audio. Would like. Sometimes an audio clip is faster than a video clip. If you want to match the speed of the video to the audio, right-click on the clip that you would like to change. Then, click Speed/Duration. A menu will pop up showing the current speed and duration of the clip. Type in whatever new speed you want and it'll tell you the new duration of the clip. When you're satisfied with the duration, click OK. If there is a part of a video clip that you would like to crop, click on the Effects section along the top and look up Crop. Drag the effect and drop it on that video clip. Click on the Editing section along the top and notice on the video clip of the effects controls, there is now a new section called crop. By changing the left, top, right, and bottom settings, you can crop your video how you need it to. You can then use the scale settings above to fill the area with your video how you would like. Finally, exporting. Make sure you always save your project before exporting. After you know it's saved, click File, Export, Media, or Control/Command-M. This menu will allow you to pick whatever format you would like to save your video in. H.264 is a good format if you want a high quality video. Finally, hit export and your video will be exported.